Finally, we'll be planting this EV Arc jackfruit.
Ginoo sa daghan bunga umaabot.
Hi guys! Welcome to FRMPH. Our agriculture journey. Wow, agriculture! Pananom journey in hopes of adding cash flow or income one step at a time. If you're on my social media account, masusubaybayan mo, the things that we are actually posting are gardening, farming, financial stability. If wala pa, not to worry. You could follow our pages, like and subscribe, and yeah, it would mean a lot. So this has been years in the making. At long last, naalajutay, EV Arc, abuyog jackfruit. So let's start from the beginning, and I'm gonna walk you through our journey of acquiring them and planting them as well. So sit back and enjoy. EV Arc jackfruit, kung i-search nyo, is from Eastern Visayas. So malayo pa talagang travel nito just to reach our destination. Hell yeah, travel din ako from Manila to Cebu and then Cebu to Dapitan. Wow. Para lang talaga madala to dito sa amin and then maitanim ko siya. And after that, we put them here in our nursery setup to acclimatize. Kasi ikaw naman, di ba, ang layo-layo ng pinanggalingan. Tapos, of course, kailangan nyo muna magpahinga. And nilipat na namin siya after a week of acclimatization period and to intended planting area na us, along with our own concoctions and hurim-hurim, charis joke lang, of ethnic beliefs. Basta, fruits daw prior planting need some sort of sugar and then banana cluster para maraming bunga in the future. Sa inyo ba guys, what's your belief on this? Drop them on the comment section below. And as you can see, we're already prepping and showing you the attached side of the plant. Fun fact, this actually happens when a graft or pinagdugtong or pinagtagpi na mga resource material is made or is put in top of each other. And thankfully, with nature's help, nabubuhay ito siya. And I'm gonna discuss more. This has a lot of benefits. Kumbaga, like first, it hastens the growth of the tree. On this case, our EV Arc jackfruit, meaning less than 5 years na lang siya, mamumunga na siya compared to those galing sa seeds talaga na around 5 to 7 or 8 years ang style. Second benefit is, ma-preserve natin ang quote-unquote genetic material na desired natin na outcome. On this case, the jackfruit, EV Arc jackfruit. Later in this video, we will explain bakit ito na variety yung pinili namin to put in our small property. So you better stay tuned, guys. However, there are also negatives or cons for this way of planting. They said na madaling mamatay ito. And again, I think in the end of the day, it's a matter of convenience on kung anong gusto or intention ng nagtanim nito or na may-ari ng property. And for us, we have the less than 5 years in mind and na mag-yield na. And so, let's just think of the next steps after that. And that easily we're able to do the first seedling. Let's proceed to the second one. Hoy, Diyos ko, hindi pa ako nangangalahati sa video na to. Napagod na ako magsalita, napagod na ako mag-isip na kung anong ilalagay sa mga chika. So, pag minsan, manood na lang kayo kung anong mga meron dyan. Ayos ba? Pito. I think this was our 8th na tanim since pagpito yung early years. So marami-rami dito siya na mga nilagay namin kasi of course 15 to siya lahat na mga tinanim namin na EV Arc jackfruit. And we've been able to see some problems like this one na marami siyang tubig kasi maulan talaga to like shit. So we have to make some canal thingy. And of course clearing some places para mapagtamnan namin nung EV Arc jackfruit. Ayan. Madami-dami din kami dyan. Charis lang. Si Papa lang tsaka ako yung nagtatanim dyan. Tapos si Mama, taga-direct kung saan. Tapos ayan, kami na yung nagbubungkal. Pero of course, si Papa na yan ng mga video dyan kasi ako rin yung nagkukuha. Pero gumawa din ako dyan. Meron din akong contribution dyan. I think over the course of this day, we're able to finish half of the planting material. So around 15, so mga around 7 or 8 ata yung natapos namin dito sa isang bugahan. Kasi binadali din namin siya para at least ito din yung time na parang wala masyadong ulan. So at the very least, naitanim namin lahat. Kasi of course, this was December. So pasensyahan nyo na matagal lang talaga nakapag-post.
Outfit check.
So right after half of the planting materials were already put in place, this was the last day ata siguro to siya that we are able to plant most of the seedlings. So ayan. follow us guys on our journey on planting this, on pest management, anong mga itatanim, anong mga ilalagay natin na mga implements, especially dito sa calamansi, sa avocado, sa nangka. Kami tayong topic, huwag kayong mag-alala. So, hindi tayo mawawalan ng mga topic na mga pwede pag-usapan. And I really think that you will also enjoy. So, buyers!